Hi, it's Megan Osborne with Karenia Brevis, the culprit killer of fish, danger to people and pets. The problem, it's been brought to our attention that the deaths of fish and how they're washing up on the shore, we're we're understandably concerned with our safety and finding the problem and solution. What is Karenia brevis? It is an algae, red in color, found in waterways known to cause death of fish, wildlife, pets, and also harmful to people, all when ingested. It's known as the red tide because of the color it leaves in the water. Um, Carina Karenia brevis is a neurotoxin. That means it is very harmful when it's come into contact with. It belongs to the brevotoxin group. It has a halophilic and dinoflagellate and is reported to be the cause of brevotoxin or BTX in seafood. Karenia brevis is a liposoluble and heat stable silic polyether compounds. It enters the waterway through upwelling. Well, what is upwelling? I'll explain that. Upwelling is when deep nutrient-rich water rises to the surface. Water circulation and winds determine the movement of the red tide blooms. This is how Karenia brevis is carried from offshore to nearshore waters, posing a threat to people, pets, and our aquatic friends. The effects on the inside. It produces neurotoxins. Neurotoxins are substances that damage, destroy, or impair the functioning of neural tissues. So how does this affect people and animals? It affects people and animals because Karenia brevis is a sodium channel neurotoxin that starts dangerous pulmonary responses when inhaled by marine animals, people, and pets. So how does it affect the fish? It affects the fish. The effects of Karenia brevis on fish include injuring the nervous system in fish because it hinders the mitochondrial nervous. It hinders the mitochondrial activity of cells, increasing oxidative stress. Furthermore, raising the neuroinflammation and upregulating proteins associated with cell death, killing off nerve cells amongst the nerve system. So that brings me to, so what do we do? Solution proposal, I would propose we employ a tactic called clay mitigation. So what is clay mitigation? That is spraying the surface of the water with a mixture of clay particles and seawater. How does it help? This helps because the clay particles, being dense, sink to the bottom and combine with the red cells on the way down. This buries the red cells amongst the floor of the waterway and into the sediment. And this process is called clay flocculation. So with the clay sediment or the clay particles being heavier, that causes them to sink down through the water and in this process attach to the red algae cells, weighing them down pretty much. And through this process that brings them to the bottom of the water onto the floor. And so those sediments on top of sediments on top of sediments eventually bury them. I hope this helps explain and offer a solution that we can try. Here are my citations and links to further, or links I used in my research, and I hope that they can help you. Thank you.